Hi everyone. Today myself Shikalia Rira, Solution Specialist in Structures on Capricorn Technologies, bring you to our weekly fight on utility staff. So Capricorn Technologies, a Windsor company and a partner of choice for the AC industry, and is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with Authorized Training Center. We have 300 plus inspiring team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AC and associated industries. So today's insight will list every command found under Utilities tab, as you can also see in the video. So first we'll be covering the structure tools, in which the commands like multiple structure, cut sections, and other useful options are there for the whole structure. Second is node tools. This bundle contains several commands that can help with duplicate nodes, orphan nodes, and other node-related issues. And third is the beam tools. This section contains several commands that are useful for anything involving beams, such as duplicate beams and overlapping members. And last one is plate tools. It contains several commands such as duplicate plates and wrap plates that are useful for anything involving finite elements. So let's start by reviewing each tool individually. So I'll just switch to my software. Okay, so for today's insight, I will be using my this building as an example. So as I was saying, this today's section is all about Utilities tab. Utilities tab is right here. In next to Analysis and Design tab, it's Utilities tab. Just click on Utilities tab, and here you can find all the commands like structure tools, node tools, beam tools, plate tools, and there's also an option over here of groups here in which we can create the groups. So in our new version in STAAD.Pro Connected Edition, Tools tab is replaced by Utilities tab, and here we can find all the commands like orphan nodes, duplicate beams, overlapping beams. So let's see one by one. First is our structure tool. Just left click from the mouse. Here are three options available under this tab. That is, first is multiple structure. Structure one, this shows that we have only one structure. If you want to check like there are two structures or three structures, or if your structure is divided into more than two parts, so you can just simply go to Utilities tab. Then on structure tools, click on multiple structures, and from here you can check your structure. And if you want to cut your section, like if you want to like see the left view, or you want to see a particular floor, like elevation view, so you can click on cut section. If you want to cut section like from XY plane, YZ plane, or XZ plane, you can use that. Suppose I'll cut my section in X and Z plane, which is this and this plane, and select the node. Suppose I'll say 1 node. Okay. So all the foundation nodes are showing to me because I have cut the section selecting the node number 1. Again, what we'll do is I'll go on view, I'll select this display for structure. I'll again go to Utilities. In structure tool, select cut section option. And there are three options available here. First is range by joint. Second is range by minimum or max. Here you can set the minimum and maximum range, like by minimum, select to view. Either you can use this. So this is how you can use the cut section command, and where you will find it under Utilities, under structure tool. Here you will find the cut section command. Now moving on to how you will see if there is any duplicate nodes in your structures. So go to Utilities in node tools, like if you want to check the node, duplicate nodes, orphan nodes. So everything will be covered under node. Left click on this, you'll find the duplicate nodes option over here, orphan nodes, remove orphan nodes, and if you want to check the dimension node to node, then it is over here now in this new Connect edition. So let's see one by one. Enter tolerance and click on OK. So there is no duplicate node over here. So Like if you want to check the orphan nodes like this, you can check orphan nodes, duplicate nodes from here. And if you want to check the node to node distance, then go to utilities, node tools, node to node distance, left click, drag your mouse, another left click. So this is how you can check your node to node distance. Similarly, you can remove the node to node distance also. So now moving on to the third tool, that is beam tools. As the name suggests, beams. So under this, everything related to beam will be found, like duplicate beams, zero length, over collinear beams. So if you want to check the duplicate beams, click on this. There is no duplicate beam in this structure right now. Just in case if I create any duplicate beams, suppose. Yes. Now let's check utilities, beam tools, duplicate beams. See, now it is showing there is a duplicate beam in this structure. I'll say remove all duplicates. Okay. Now again, let's check, is there any duplicate beam? Beam tools, duplicate beam, no duplicate beam. So it has removed the duplicate beams. Now zero length members. Okay, no zero length member is found. So similarly, all the things related to beam found under beam tools. So these are the most important tools for our structure. Like if you want to check the orphan node, duplicate nodes, node to node distance, if you want to measure, if you want to check duplicate nodes, to go to utility. In structure tool, you will find a command related to structures. In node tools, you will find commands related to nodes. And in beam tools, you will find command related to beam. Similarly, plate tool is there. In this structure, there is no plates, but if you want to check the duplicate plates are there, then you can click on duplicate plates and it will show the plates if there is any duplicate plates. Now, some more features like I just told you. Now, group command is under the utilities tab if you want to create the group, or otherwise you can use the shortcut key, that is Control plus G. If you want to create a new group, it will open the dialog box automatically. Control plus G is a shortcut key. Otherwise, go to utilities, click on this group, this will open. Click on create. Suppose I will give the name as R1 and I'll select the type as floor. I'll click on OK. Suppose I want to group all this four beam or this panel into one group. I'll click on associate. Close. Now, if you want to check if the group has been created or not, click on this, click on highlight, see group has been created. And under this, you will also find the command file option, which is the STAAD editor file. So this is the STAAD editor file. So where you will find it under utilities tab, command file, which is STAAD editor file. And analysis output file will also be found over here only. After we run the analysis, it will open. I hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with what output results does Connect Edition offer to create a study structure in our next insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions or topic you would like to discuss or you want us to discuss. See you next week. Take care.